In this video, I will show you how to reset your Roblox password. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and leaving the like button for more videos. And now, let's get right into this guide. So if I try to enter my password and hit login, as you can see, my Roblox password was incorrect. So what you need to do now is to click on Forgot Password and Username. And then you will be taken to this page. All you need to do now is to enter your email address or phone number, but in this case, I will enter my email address. Once you're done, click on Next. Enter the code that has just been sent to your email. Go to your email that has just been sent, and then all you have to do is to copy the code or hit Ctrl+C. And once you're done, just go back and paste the code. And then you can click on Create New Password. Enter the new password and then confirm, and once you're done, just hit Update Password. And now your Roblox account has been recovered, and that is it for today's video. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and leaving the like button for more videos. And thanks for watching.